For today's bonus episode of the AA Skin Babes Unfiltered podcast, we've got something special for you. Today, we normally release the episodes every Wednesday, and we have 4 episodes every month. This month has 5 Wednesdays, therefore we're sharing something very special with you. So without further ado, this is a blooper reel of some of the best outtakes we could find. Thank you for listening to another episode of the AA Skin Babes Unfiltered podcast. If you like this podcast, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to support your local med spa. Beep-a-deep-a-doop-bop-bop-bop.